What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to submit your XML sitemap to Bing search engine into a simple, fast, effective, and totally free method to make your posts, pages, and products to be displayed on Bing search engine, okay? First thing, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. Then get your sitemap URL. In my case is this one. In the case that you want to learn how to get your sitemap XML, just go to YouTube and search for Visual Model Sitemap, and you're going to be able to find our tutorials explaining how to do this. Then go to Google, go to Bing, and search for Bing Webmaster Tools and find this result right here, bing.com toolbox webmaster. This result right here. Then you're going to be able to see this page. I'm going to assume that you already have your site present on Bing Webmaster Tools. In the case that you don't know how to add your site on Bing, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, or you can search on YouTube for Visual Model Bing, and you're going to be able to find how to add your site into the search engine. Webmaster Tools, how to verify your site, how to add your property. After, you're going to be able to find this dashboard right here. Once right here, you're going to be able to find into the left side of menus, Home, Search Performance, URL, Site Explorer, Sitemap, Index Now, Backlinks, Keyword Research. Let's use the Sitemap option. Review the upper right corner of your screen. You're going to be able to find a blue button called Submit Sitemap. All you have to do is enter your sitemap URL right here, okay? Copy the sitemap and paste it right here, just like this. Then all you have to do is click on submit, and in some hours or some days, the Bing gonna have successfully crawled your sitemap. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys later. All the best!